Designing a TV wall in a room can enhance the aesthetics, appeal, and functionality of a space. Here's a suggestion for a stylish TV wall design. So if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Opt for a wall mounted TV to save floor space and create a modern look. Choose a location that allows comfortable viewing from various seating areas in the room. Create an accent wall behind the TV and draw attention to the entertainment area. Consider using textures, wallpapers, reclaimed wood panels, or a bold paint color to make a TV stand out. Install floating shelves or sleek media console beneath a TV to hold accessories, media player, and decorative items. Choose a design that complements the overall style of the room. Now create LED strip light or resist light around the prim and a wall TV ambience to create focal point. Dimmable light can enhance the viewing experience, and a set mood for move nights. Conceal cables and wires and maintain a clean or organized appearance. Use cable management solutions such as cord covers, cable raceways, or wall cable routing. Hide ULE wires. Install speakers or a sound power around the TV for a complete audio visual experience. Position the speakers strategically, ensure optical sound quality and balance in the room. Decorative piece elements such as a fairmade artwork, wall decals, and plants add personality of the style. TV wall balance the visually weight of TV with other decorative items elements to create a choosing look. By following these design tips, you can create functional and visually appealing TV wall that enhance the overall look of your feel room. Experiment with the different elements and arrangement to achieve the perfect balance of the style functionality. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.